जा रहा है कि कैसे यू कैन यू नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट, हाउ टू यूज़ दिस प्रेस राइट ओवर हियर. सो ये है अगारो की इट्स अ garment steamer and handheld. It's a handheld garment steamer, so we are just not going to waste any time and let's see how to use it. So I have already uploaded a tutorial, the unboxing video जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें इसके साथ आई थी. You can also check out कि एक garment steamer के बॉक्स में what were the items. So सबसे पहले तो हम ये ग्लव्स पहन लेंगे, but you know for the precautionary purpose. So the Agaro Signify Garment Steamer is a compact handheld device ideal for quick de-wrinkling and refreshing clothes, especially for those who want an alternative to traditional ironing. With a 1500 volt power capacity, it heats up in just 40 seconds, offering around 15 minutes of continuous steam thanks to its 260 ml removable water tank. The ceramic steam plate ensures even heat distribution, making it effective for both vertical and horizontal steaming. It's particularly useful for delicate fabrics like silk, georgette, and chiffon, where a regular iron might damage the fabric. Users appreciate its portability and ease of use, but some have reported issues like cracks developing in the water tank after a few uses, along with some limited customer support, which is worth considering before purchase. To use the steamer, fill the tank with clean or distilled water and attach it properly. Once you power it on, wait for the indicator to signal that it's ready. Hang your garment on a sturdy hanger, any door hook or shower rod will work, and gently pull the fabric taut with one hand while using the steamer with the other. Move the steamer in slow downward strokes. I'm going to be showing you soon, holding in 1 to 2 inches away from the fabric to allow the steam to relax the fibers. For best results, you can also steam shirts and sleeves from the inside out. Avoid dragging the steamer directly on the fabric unless it is designed for that. Once you have finished steaming, let the garment rest for 2 to 3 minutes to dry before wearing or folding it. After use, always empty the tank, let it dry, air dry, and occasionally clean the unit using a diluted vinegar solution to prevent scale buildup. While it's excellent for daily garment refreshing and travel purposes, it won't give you the crisp, sharp creases that a traditional iron provides. However, for casual or office wear and for those in a rush, the Agaro Signify is a budget friendly, time saving solution.